All right, Nathan, what are you doing tonight on this freezing cold night?
Well, because it was a long weekend and well, we all went away, we didn't work on any of the cars. And well, because we've done one day of rust on this thing and we don't want to do another one. So
what we're going to do instead is we're going to announce the winners to our 20,000 subscriber giveaway.
Yes.
If you have been following our Instagram, you'll know that we've already announced the major prize winner. And the winner of that is the toy Corolla.
Yes.
Congratulations, mate. Awesome car to see the prize going into.
Yes, definitely.
It was chosen at random. But it is definitely a very well-deserving car.
Yeah.
It's going to look really good in that car, so enjoy it. I hope you put it to good use. It's a wicked prize. But we also need to announce our 4 other minor prizes, which is the Hackshop giveaway merch pack with hoodies, t-shirts, fender cover and sticker pack. I think that's what we said we're putting in it. I can't remember now.
We'll have to go back and watch the video.
But we're picking 4 people out of you guys, the subscribers at home, and those people are as follows. The reason why we don't know the names is because they've been picked at random and we haven't even picked them yet. So they should show up here hopefully, and these are the 4 people that have won. So what you need to do at home, if your name is showed up on here on the screen now, please get in contact with us via either our socials or through our email address and let us know, and we'll get in touch with you and get that pack out to you as soon as possible. And obviously a big thank you to everyone who got involved in the giveaway.
Yeah.
Especially for everyone that tagged us on Instagram.
It was good to see all those cars in the build.
Oh,
it was awesome. There was some tough cars.
There was some amazing variety of cars that came through. There was stuff from like VW Bugs, to Corollas, to GTs, a lot of HQs.
I don't know what it was, HX or HJ with the Viper engine in it.
The V10, yeah, that was pretty sick.
Oh, that was tough.
And there was a couple of really nice coupe HQs as well too.
Yeah.
There was a lot of really good stuff and some late model stuff as well too. Some Commodores in there as well.
It was awesome.
It was awesome to see, and maybe that's something we'll do again in the future, you know, just to explore the car community that is everyone that follows the Hackshop Garage.
Yeah, it was cool, guys. Massive thank you to Raceworks and Tiperformance for the 20,000 subscriber giveaway.
Well, without them, there's no way that we could do something like that. And look, it was a hell of a prize pool to win, like $3,000 in value in total, which is incredible. And like we feel very humbled to be able to give it away.
And without them, we can't do the giveaways. And we want to do a giveaway every
milestone that we hit. Yeah, and not only just to do the giveaways, but without guys like Tiperformance and Raceworks sponsoring and helping us out in doing what we do here, we couldn't do it. There's no way that we could do what we're doing here without their help. So, you know, a massive thank you. And if you like watching what we do here, make sure to support them because they support us doing that. And because Tiperformance are such legends,
they're running the discount code on all Raceworks products till the end of financial year. EOFI.
EOFI, yes. They're running it until EOFI. So you have from now until EOFI to head over to Tiperformance to purchase all your Raceworks fuel system needs. Put in the discount code Hackshop Garage 20 to get yourself a 10% discount code. So while we have your attention, we have a question that we want to ask you. The last episode that we put out, we spent a lot of time fixing the rust in the Gemini.
Do we fix more of the rust like the ones here? Here. Here.
Big one.
Do we fix more of the rust? Or do we just fix this in quiet time so you don't have to see the butchery and the welding and the boogers?
Yeah, that would ensue from us doing this. So what we're basically asking is, after seeing us do the floor pans in this and doing that rust repair, have you seen enough of us cutting, grinding, boogering? Have you seen enough of that on this car? And would you prefer us to move on to another project, that being the XF? Do we get a start on the XF? Because we really want to get a start on that and get that finished and get that out of here, because we've got another huge project coming in, which involves a turbo and a V8. So we're pretty excited about that, but we need to get that done first.
Yes.
So basically what we're asking is...
so get to the point!
So basically what we're asking is, do we ditch doing the Gemini repairs on camera and do them by ourselves off camera quietly whenever we get a chance, and put this aside for a little while because we've been very Gemini heavy in this channel lately, I feel like, and move on to the XF so that we can get to the Turbo LS? Or do you want to see us continuing to booger weld this thing? Up to you. Please, in the comments below, comment that, because that is literally going to determine what we work on this Sunday. Yeah. This coming Sunday.
Yeah, it's either do we keep cutting and filling holes, or do we spend a day on this and hopefully get it to a point where we can say sayonara?
Yeah. So it's up to you. This is like a choose your own adventure book. You know, you figure out, you'd read your book and then you go, do you want to take a left turn? Do you want to take a right turn? Which way are you going to head? This is your chance to choose your own adventure. Boogers or XF? So be sure to let us know in the comments below on which direction we should head. Rust or the XF. What are we going to move to next? We'd love to go straight to the LS, we really would.
Yeah,
But
we got to get that out.
that needs to go because we're full here and we need to make some room because we have some more cars incoming very, very soon. And they're much more fun. There's more power involved in them. We're sick of dealing with 80 horsepower.
Yeah, I know. It's either we spend a day or two on the XF and then we get an LS turbo in, or we spend another couple of days on this and then have to spend a day on the XF and then we get the turbo LS.
We're just thinking out loud here because, in case you don't know, we only film 1 day a week. We only have 1 day a week because we have full-time jobs and everything to actually do this. So we're trying to figure out what we want to do here. And yeah, like we said, I just feel like we've been really heavy on the Gemini lately, which is great. Everyone seems to be loving it and it's awesome to see. Way more love than I've expected to see this nugget get.
Way more work than we expected it needed.
That is true as well. But you know, it's getting there. We can finish this rust off in the meantime, off camera, and basically from there
Get to the good stuff.
Get to the good stuff like putting the interior back in once we get that retrimmed. Pretty much go for roadworthy at that stage.
Yeah.
Maybe put some shoe polish on the tyres. See a little fast. So yeah, that is the question that we're leaving you with today. Again, apologies that we don't have a build video out this week. But yeah, we went away for the weekend for once because it was a long weekend. We thought we'd enjoy it. And we made the most of it. So no time in the shed, unfortunately. And we're going week by week at this stage, as always. Anyway, let us know in the comments below. And we'll see you next week with whatever you guys decide.
Yeah, whatever you decide we'll be working on. They're both red. Oh, sorry, orange.
Orangey red. Yeah. That one has no rust in it.
No, that one has no rust. It just has a fuel leak and an oil leak in the trans.
Yeah. But we're used to that.
Yeah, that's fine. We're used to oil leaks. We've got Fords here.
Anyway, we'll catch you in
The next
week's
episode.
Oh, and one more thing that we need to address before we move on from here, because we didn't actually update this in our update video that we did a few weeks ago. The XYGT, what's happening with that? Because that is one of the most asked questions that we're getting of recent. We're waiting on parts. That's why that has sat there. We haven't forgotten about it. It will return. It is very close to probably start up. We just need a few more parts.
I actually keep forgetting about it, you know. We've got engine and gearbox in.
Yeah.
All set up, ready to go.
Yep.
The extractors are fitted.
Yeah.
We've just got to build an exhaust and a couple of wires.
Yeah. Put a distributor in it and it's pretty much ready to go. So yeah, that car is excruciatingly close. We just need a few more items. Drive shaft. We need to build the exhaust for it. And a few other bits and bobs and a little bit more wiring and it's good to go. But we're just waiting for the owner, Rodney, to get a few more funds to purchase those parts, because we went pretty hard on that.
We did go pretty hard
for a little while there, and we drained his bank account.
Yeah, we were just like, hey Rodney, we need an engine. Hey Rodney, we need this. Hey Rodney, we need this.
So yeah, I need to answer that question because I'm getting asked that all the time. It is coming back, I promise. It has not disappeared.
It's
we
still
will
sitting
finish
there.
it. It's still there, and we definitely need to get it finished because it's taking up a space in it, because I need that space in the near future. So it is coming. Just wanted to address that one.
Yeah, good.
We completely forgot about that in the update video.
Eofi.
Yes, Eofi.
I was on this side last
Yeah, I was gonna say, which way to do it. What are you doing, Loki? You're a spud.